Today we are going to discuss about the reliability regarding the design temperature of our performance grade bitumen. So over here reliability means whatever your maximum temperature means your 7 days max temperature, one condition, and second your max is your lower temperature, that is your 1 day low temperature. We have to consider these two parameters. So this reliability means the probability that in a given single year's actual temperature covering these two range, which are those two range? This is your maximum temperature for the 7 days, and your 1 day low temperature will not exceed the limit. So this is related to this one. So it means we have to consider our PG system for probability point of view and reliability. Reliability, which I have already explained you, that in a given year your actual temperature means these two conditions, condition number 1 and condition number 2. Means condition number 1, condition number 2 will not exceed, or it should remain within the limit. So this is related to this probability and reliability. Now about like this one, when we have designed some range, we can say that it is reliable 50%. When I say that it is reliable 50%, or in other words, we can say that its reliability is at risk. This risk means temperature variation. So keep this thing in mind. What is our point of consideration? Temperature variation. Like if I have considered any temperature, maximum temperature, for example, I have taken temperature 54. With this 50% reliability, it means there is a risk that there will be the variation in the temperature. And its second factor, when we say that reliability 98%. So over here it means we are more relying whatever the range we have selected for our performance grade bitumen, it's not going to vary. So it is least risk because more reliable, more level of reliable. Now, rather than going into too much detail, I will just write down very fundamental equation that how we can go from this 50% reliability to the 98%. Very fundamental equation for this probability function is being used, that I will just write down over here. We have the mean temperature mu plus 2 sigma. When we apply the value of this standard deviation, we are going to get another variable, x. Similarly, for the negative, let me write down it x bar. It would be mu bar plus 2 sigma, minus 2 sigma. X and x bar values will give higher reliability. Now, what is mu and mu bar? Mean 7-day maximum and 1 day minimum temperature. These are the representation of this one. Now, what is this sigma? Sigma is actually standard deviation. So you will have to only keep these in mind. Now I will apply this procedure on one example, that how we can say that our performance grade bitumen at this temperature has the reliability of 50%, and after the implementation of this condition we are going to get the reliability of our 98%. Just I will explain it with one easy example. Suppose at certain region we have 7-day maximum temperature 57 Celsius, and this is not a constant. Due to this one, we can say with standard deviation to Celsius. Second, 1 day minimum temperature minus 15 Celsius with S deviation 3 Celsius. Find out PG bitumen at the rate of 50% and 98% reliability. Very easy to solve this. Very, very easy. Just as I have given you these two temperature, first of all, I will draw the graph. That is known as our normal distribution function. So when I will draw this value, very easy. Zero, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. Minus 10, minus 20 and minus 30 and minus 40. So when we draw this value of this graph, it comes out to be like this one. So from on this side comes out to be like this one. This is my 57 Celsius. And this is my 15 Celsius. As I go from this data, my range will come 57 minus 15. As I have already explained to you, 57 is nothing. We will go to one grade higher, which is nearest to this one, and this nearest is 58. And for the lower temperature, we will go to the next lower stage, it is minus 16. So from here, we are getting this grade of the bitumen PG 58 minus 16. It is going to give us 50% reliability. Means, now, let me tell you one thing over here. It means I am not at the 15. I have to go to this 16. Over here, I am not at the 57. I will have to go this 58 because this is 58. this is minus 16. So this value which we have come from this PG 58 minus 16, it gives us reliability 50%. Next, which I have already told you about this equation. If I will apply that equation, let us see how it will behave. X is equal to mu plus 2 sigma. It means 57 plus 2 and the sigma is 2. It comes out to be 61 Celsius. And for the negative side, it would be equal to minus 15 minus 2 into 3. It comes out to be minus 21 Celsius. From here we can see that 61 minus 21, this range is defining the reliability of 98%. But you see this one 61. It is above than this one. It means we will have to select the nearest range available. So as we will go to this one, higher available grade is 64. From this lower available grade is minus 22. So what class of the bitumen we are going to get? 64 minus 22. This is our 98% reliable. Now let me show this in the graph. This cut, it is 64 Celsius. Now over here, this cut, minus 22 Celsius. As I will read this line, PG 64 minus 22, it is 98%. I hope now you may have understand this concept, that how this range is being selected. Now this is more reliable as compared to this one, because it has gone to very acceptable limit, where any type of the fluctuation in the temperature will not going to exceed this limit. That is why it is known as the more reliable, and it is a 50% reliable, and it is a 98% reliable. So this example I have given you. For all of you people, try to understand that how I have explained this to you, and if you have any query about this one, you can ask the question to me. And second thing, very important, I want to tell you, for this reliability, we are moving to the right hand side, to the increase of the reliability for positive temperature. And for the negative temperature, because this is the negative temperature, here we are moving to the left hand side. Example, you see minus 15, now we have reached to minus 22. It means I have moved to the left hand side. Here 57, I have gone to the 64. It means I have gone to the right hand side. So keep this thing in mind. Right hand side for the positive temperature and the left hand side for the negative temperature. So it was very important concept. So you should keep this thing in mind, where we are using right hand side and where we are using the left hand side. And it is very authenticated procedure in order to select the range of your temperature for your this type of the performance grade bitumen. And thank you very much for seeing this. If you have any query, you can ask in comments.